was truly, truly amazing. Good afternoon once again, and thank you so much for coming down to Dubai Yoga, all part of the Dubai Fitness Challenge. We want to make sure that you are having fun, but at the same time, your safety is in our hands. Also, please make sure that you don't remove or lift the mats up. Wear your sunscreen, wear your hats, and enjoy the next session.
Now, we're still seeing hundreds of people joining in, and if you've just arrived, welcome to Dubai Yoga, the newest addition to Dubai Fitness Challenge. DFC aims to make Dubai the most active city by encouraging 30 minutes of activity for 30 days. Free and open to all ages and fitness levels. Share your experience by tagging on all social media platforms at Dubai Fitness Challenge to inspire family and friends. Once again, that's at Dubai Fitness Challenge. Today, we complete the final 30 minutes of activity together. Now, it's time to energize your body and mind with a 30-minute breathwork session led by Guinness World Record holder Yash Moradia, with support from Jamila Al-Ansari, our very own Emirati yogi. Meanwhile, over in the family zone, Pranvi Gupta, the world's youngest yoga instructor and student at GEMS Wellington International School, Dubai, teams up with Carla Julian for a fun and playful family acro yoga session as well. We turn it over to them.
First of all, Namaste Dubai! What an energy! What a great vibe! First of all, thank you so much every one of you to be here. At the finale event, the final edition, the first edition of Dubai Yoga. We have taken this initiative to scale and the awareness, to spread awareness of yoga, and this is the beginning. We are going to start with the energize with the breath, the session. Our breath, as we all know, it is the most vital thing. And to lead this session over here, I'm having a great yoga coach with me, Emirati yoga coach with me. So, would like to also introduce herself, please.
Thank you, Yash. Good evening, everyone. I'm so honored to be with you, Yash, on the stage. For closing Dubai Fitness Challenge, Dubai Yoga 2025. I'm going to demonstrate the breathing technique. Focus on the breathing with the harmony of the body. Thank you, Yash, for closer to the so if you want to come a little closer to us, so imagine the crown of your head is reaching all the way up to the sky. Good. Take your shoes off. That is the prana. As the sound travels closer to us. Really important. Because prana simply means prana means the energy, the vital energy which keeps us alive, and ayam means to elongate that energy. So your duty over here at this session is to elongate your pranic urja, to elongate your vital energy. Pranayama, there is only one key element that you need to follow. Travel your mind with your breath. There's a beautiful saying with Kebadavi Choice who says that every inhalation is like God approached to you. When you hold your inhalation,
God stays within. When you exhale, you are approaching to the God. And when you hold that exhalation, you are surrendering to the God. So we're going to start with Bastrika. In Bastrika, with every inhalation and exhalation, you need to breathe forcefully. And especially with every single repetition, I really want you to follow this specific movement. You are going to take this position with keeping your both hands near to your chest. Make a fist with your fingers and just bring your elbows near to your chest. It's like you are squeezing your chest. This is the position. From here, when I say inhale, with every inhalation, you are going to raise your both hands up. Why? Extend your ribcage so that your lungs will have more space to have more oxygen. And with the exhalation, you are going to bring it back. There is only one thing that you need to focus on. Breathe forcefully. And just every single breath that you are doing, it should be synchronized with the music. It should be rhythmic. There will be a specific music. You just need to coordinate